Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Sophistication meets style. The stylish trendsetter Tata Curve SUV is in town. India's first coupe SUV is now in Shillong.
Ka Shillong Literary Festival keberangan Bynta hanong ba Shillong kam shimde satya katamasa tangjang ginong thokon henry ka danru ya ka Bynta ba Khraw bat ka kam Shna Phlim namar ba ha ka kam Shna Phlim ru ka de ka kam ka ba hab ban tho shwa ya kiskrim shwa ban ringdor ya ka Phlim bat ka de ka we ni ka kam tho ka ba e ba bat ka ba bampor ba ha ka ni ka Shillong Literary Festival ngilayo ba nyikran bat we ni ginong Shna Phlim ba pau uba Nicholas khar ko ngor Habakran halo kani kata masa ubat Nicholas ulong bakani kata masa kepen mentoi bah yiginong thokon bat kumjuru yiginong Shna Phlim namar baki yo ban phliu jumut bat banang penjanai shushu yelade hakam ka bakidon shushu ulong bakum kini kita masa walakin pen mentoi mentaru henrikidan la ujong uso bala ka jong mentoi hadin habot.
It's called the Shillong Literary Festival, and literature is a big part of film as well, because it starts with the script and the written word. And in fact, the scripting is the most difficult part of filmmaking, because it can take sometimes 6 months, sometimes it can take 5 years to get the script right. And that's the piece of literature which is the most important. So, film is very much a part of the whole literary world, and so I'm happy to be here, to be part of it. Of course, there are many writers and novelists, and there's been a lot of interactions with them, and there are a few filmmakers too, and we're all coming together in the name of art and literature. So I'm very happy to be here. The way art works is always very subtle. It's not something which is immediate. It's not like building a road and you say, okay, I'm going to start the project now. In 6 months' time, you're going to have a road. It's always at a subliminal level. You don't know who's in the audience. And we always hope that there will be great artists in the audience, future filmmakers, future writers, who will then speak more about Shillong, about the Khasi culture, about the Northeastern culture, and that can help introduce the Northeast in a far better light to the rest of the world. So you never know how art plays out, and there are many purposes to art. So it's always good to have these engagements. People's lives change through art. People's lives change because of a book, because of a film. And these are all personal experiences. You never know the extent to which art can truly affect a person. It's, as I said, not something as simple as building a physical road, which can be seen by everybody. So these are important exercises. It's absolutely necessary. For me as an artist, I really believe in these exchanges. It helps me make a better artist. It helps me tell better stories for the sake not just of Shillong and Meghalaya, but also the whole of the Northeast. And that's the kind of exchange that over a long period of time means a lot. It has a lot more meaning.